Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. And again, this video is going to be up late because my computer's crashed, but I'm just recording some videos on my phone, so when it goes up I will have some. But anyway, I've already posted the pictures on IG, but let's just jump right on in. So I did pick up this brush washer. This is just a basic cup, and you can put your brushes here, and there's one spot for the dry. Scrubbing the brushes off, and the other one for them to let them dry. So 2 compartments there. So, and this was $4.99. 215-8259. So I thought that might come in handy. Some using cups. I got 2 of the Fiskars punches, and this is the onesie. And this, of course, can punch all types of materials, so that's why I got it. And the price was $4.99. Normally it was $27.99, so that was a good deal. And this is 219 and 2056. So again, it shows some of the different textures you can use up here, like cork and craft and felt, and just different types of materials, aluminum can, multiple layers of cardstock. So for $4.99, and they had all the different ones, circles and squares. And I need to go back and get some of the circle ones, because even though I have circle punches, but they have a thick one. That's part of my problems. I don't have, the thick one. So I am going to go back, I think, and get the circle and probably the rosette one. Not the rosette, but the scallop circle. So we might add that on to this video if I do go back and get it. And then this is the lever punch, and this one is just called large lever flower, 219-2060 for $4.99. So it's just basically a leaf and 2 different types of a stem with leaves and 2 different types of little flowers. So it's just a small, quick, you can make something with that. And again, I already read the number on that one. It goes to both Fiskars. They did a lot of the Mont Marty, I guess how you pronounce it, items in this week. And I got these. I don't know if you've seen these before, but these are paper stumps, so they call them tortillas. I got them because I've used these before. And actually, I see these at, sometimes you can find them at Walmart. But you can see these in micros and stuff anyway. But these, mainly for pastels and charcoals. I use them when I watercolor, and I use Gamsol. And I dip them in there. And if you don't have Gamsol, you can use baby oil. And you can use this to blend your coloring in, your pencil coloring in. But it's mainly for charcoals, but you can use and pastels. And so I have some pastel crayons as well, and I use that with that. And 215-8247 for $2.49. And I want to say this probably, I might have paid $1 more, so at Walmart or somewhere, but I don't think I had as big. And you can sand the tip and reuse these. So, and then I got I don't know much about the brand either, but anyway, I got these because these are metallic acrylics. So I thought it might be interesting to see some of the colors in here. And so we've got gold, silver, bronze, copper, magenta, purple, pentahalo blue, and pentahalo green. I guess that's how you say it, PHT halo, whatever. But anyway, those are the colors, and they're metallic. So I thought it'd be just nice to have some metallic ones like that. And that is $7.99 and 215-8253. Yep. And how many? An 8-piece set. They had quite a few different mixed media items, and I posted it. They had the ceramic clay, polymer clay, the carving knives, which I used to use clay. Oh my gosh. And if I was still making jewelry, I would have got them, because they had a lot of Tim Holtz jewelry fixture stuff, which I didn't post, but they've been getting those for the last 2 weeks. And they had the clay, and I've got the price of the clay, but I did post it on my IG account. And they had the sculpting tools. I think the tools were $4.99. I think the clay might have been $2.99, but it was a real nice big block. And they had these canvases. They also had watercolor books and puff paints. There's some other stuff. It had a bunch of mixed media type stuff, different types of platforms that you might want to look at for a good price. These were $1.99. These canvases 8x10, and they're flat, and it's a 2-pack. It's 215-8246. So again, it's 2-pack in there. You can use that for a lot of different things. And then the rest, oh my gosh, gosh, they had so many wood pieces, and it just looked like I went crazy, and I didn't even get all of them. I only got about half. Before I got to that, I got the little birdie doilies, and these are made, it feels like they're made out of burlap, and it's $1.40. It is burlap doilies, 4x4. 2-on-1 is 7323, and it doesn't say how many that are in here. I'm guessing 6 or 12, I don't know, in here, but anyway, so for $1.49, I just like the texture on it, give that feel. Couple Mega Home stuff, Willow, and the stamp set and the paper. Both of these have been, this just came out the week I'm getting this, and this has been out like the week before. Of course, by the time y'all see this video, probably gonna be late. Anyway, this is stamp set number 4, 213 and 9138 for $2.99, and you have, it says bright days ahead, oh so happy, my darling love, and it's the house. So those are some of the items there. And then this one is the Willow Lane paper, 213-9101 for $2.99, and this is a 6x8. This is not a new paper bag, which you've all seen. I gotta check to make sure I don't have that one. So they put out some more of these again. You know, it's been a while since they brought this many out. They brought, I mean, like 40 and 50 of them were sitting out there, and it's probably about I put about maybe 6 or 8 back of the styles, so I didn't get all of them. I really had to choose because I do have some different ones at home. Well, at home, so I just put some of these back. But this is a happy birthday one, I think, and this is so cute because it's got the word happy, and it's got presents, balloons, and swirls, and cakes, and candles, and pinwheel, party hats. So this is called Party. 50 pieces for $2.99. 213-1417. Sorry about the glare, but super cute. This one is called Life's a Beach, and it is 213-1415. And you've got your seashells, palm trees, and you got your fawns. You got your oh my gosh, what's my favorite flower? I forgot. Jeez. Hibiscus. Life's a Beach. Sun, Sand, and Sea. This one is called Provincial, and it's 213-1408, and that says Live and Love. It's got your frames right here, so you know you got your maple leaf and some rose, cottage rose and stuff. I thought this was cute because I love photography, so you had your frames and your film strips and your corner picture corners, smiling cameras and swirls, and it's just called Snapshot. 213-1410. This one is called Antiques, 213-1418. So bird cages and clocks and birds and keyholes and sewing machines and silhouettes and cameos and all those cute little things. And again, you know, I had a whole picture about, I don't know how many on my Instagram. Tea Party, 213-1412. You got your cupcakes and teapots, and again your cottage rose and teacups and doilies. I thought the doilies were cute. And this says Forever Friends. Nice texture to anything. This one is called Cooking, 213-1419. So you've got your mixer and some cherries and your rolling pin and gingerbread men and cupcakes and spoons and forks and knives. They had dogs and cats, and they had more leaves and people and just a whole bunch of different ones. So I'm sure if you go look, you'll be able to check some out. And I may get some more left punches for that price, because those are really like $30 ones, and to get it for $4.99, it's a really good deal. So hopefully it won't be too late by the time you see this video, but they all have the 9 September dates on them, so by the time you see them, who knows, it might be October by the time I get my computer and everything straight and get a new one. But anyway, take care. Thanks for liking and watching and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.